Okay, Cassie, this is what my live text looks like. It's gonna probably look different than yours. Let's see, my dashboard, that's what it looks like. Courses, these are the ones that I'm in, but usually in the dashboard, they will show the assignments for that class if they're there. Dr. Shields usually has it up. Since I'm not in her class as a student, it won't show up on mine, so I can't really look at it the way that you would look at it. But let's say I had something for this class. If I clicked that, it would lead me to their page. The assignments, obviously, Dr. Majanka does not have anything specifically for us to submit on here, so it won't show up. Dr. Shields may or may not have that. I can't remember. But what I do is I go to File Manager, and here, as you can see, nothing's there because it's under the uncategorized documents, but over here, I have all of my classes from when I started organized by labels. So what you would do is upload files, images, choose whatever file, and it will import. And then when it shows up here, because it's uncategorized, you can click this little box that will show up next to it, apply label, and either have one that you already created or down here create a new one. I have it divided up by class. That's how I submit my live text documents. I have everything on here from every class. Like this is from the internship. I like to have it all on there just in case, all in one spot. Let's see, 754 when I took it. I uploaded all my homework assignments to this, my unit plan, you know, whatever. If you're having trouble with it directly, like the assignment won't show up, again, I can't remember if Dr. Shields had an actual assignment show up on your dashboard for it. I think she did. But if you're having issues, just upload it like this, like I showed you through the upload images file on File Manager, and then maybe send her an email, and you should get it worked out just fine. I hope this helped you a little bit. If you have any more questions, let me know.